Welcome you all in the video lecture series of engineering mathematics. In this section we are going to discuss about questions related to linear algebra. These kind of questions are usually asked in the GATE and NET examinations, and it is also useful for the regular course in BTech and MTech. So if you are new, subscribe my channel for more update. Let's see the question. A set of linear equations is given in the form of Ax is equals to b. So this is familiar with you when we represent the system of linear equation, that in the matrix form we represent here Ax is equals to b. Now here, where A is a 2 cross 4 matrix with real number entries and B is not equals to 0. So the question is, will it be possible to solve for x and obtain a unique solution by multiplying both left and right sides of the equation by A transpose and inverting the matrix A transpose A? So your option is yes, can obtain a unique solution provided the matrix A is well conditional. Yes, it is always possible to get a unique solution for any 2 cross 4 matrix. Next option is yes, can obtain a unique solution provided the matrix A transpose A is well conditional. The last option is no, it is not possible to get a unique solution for any 2 cross 4 matrix A. So here we have given the system of equation Ax is equals to b, where A is a rectangular matrix, that is 2 cross 4, and b is not equals to 0. It is given in the question, we multiply both sides with the A transpose and then make the system, and this one of the 4 conditions holds that we need to check. So before giving the right answer, we must go through some theoretical part, how we understand the question, and it is helpful to the other questions also. So let's take a system of linear equation with n variable, that is Ax is equals to b. So if such a kind of system we have, then we can have the unique solution or not, that we check here. So for this, what we do, we will find the rank of the matrix A and A colon B, that is the augmented matrix, we say the augmented matrix. I am not going in detail, you must go through the video for the rank of the matrix. Here we find the rank of A and augmented matrix A colon B. So we have first case, either rank of A is equals to rank of augmented matrix A colon B, sometimes we use the word AB, or another is this is not possible, rank of A is not equals to rank of AB. So in such condition, here if these two ranks are equal, then the system is said to be consistent. If it is not, then system is inconsistent. So you write here inconsistent. If it is inconsistent, then there will be no any solution of the system of linear equation. So if we prove here it is inconsistent, then it will be no solution. Whatever unique or not, that will be the possibility. If the system is consistent, then it will have again the case, what the rank of A is equals to rank of augmented matrix AB, that will also equals to n. N is the number of variables. So in that case, second case we have rank of A is equals to rank of AB, but it is not equals to n. So in these two cases, what will happen? In the first case, we will have the unique solution, and in the second case, if rank of A is equals to rank of augmented matrix but it is not equals to n, so in that case the system is consistent, we will get the solution, but the solution is not going to be unique. Here we will have the infinite number of solutions. So this diagram you have to remember for not only for this question, it is for many type of questions which is related to rank also and the consistency of the system of linear equations. So what we required here, if it is unique, if the solution of Ax is equals to B is unique, so rank of A is equals to rank of A B is equals to n also. So what we see now, here we use the property of rank, as it is said that the A is a 2 cross 4 matrix with real number entries, so it will have the rank 2. It cannot be greater than 2, and according to property the matrix A transpose will have also the rank 2, because the rank of A is equals to rank of A transpose. This is the property here. Now these two have the same rank 2, so what we see, A transpose or A transpose A will have the same rank, that is 2. So again we have used the property. It means whenever you multiply with the A transpose to the both side, but this matrix, coefficient matrix, will have the rank same 2. So in such condition, A transpose or A transpose A will be what? Singular matrix. So if your matrix is singular, so in such a condition what will happen? If your matrix is singular, you are not going to have the unique solution because it is not going to be equals to n. So either you will have no solution or you will have the infinite number of solutions. So in this condition we are not getting the unique solution. Whatever the matrix we have, it is true for all matrix, whether it is well conditional or not. So our conclusion is the system cannot have the unique solution. So in such case, what we see, all first three options are not correct. The last option, that no, it is not possible to get a unique solution for any 2 cross 4 matrix A, is the right answer. So your answer is D. So I hope so. In this question we have solved, not only we have solved the questions, we have learnt about the some theoretical part also. So your answer is D. So thank you for watching this video. I hope so you like it. So do not forget to subscribe my channel for more update, for updated videos related to GATE and CSIR-NET and any other competitive examinations also. So share with your friends to be updated. If you have any query, comment on the comment box. Thank you for watching this video.